The wheels of justice are rolling over Louise Lett. After her probation on a charge of credit card fraud was revoked Friday, she appeared today in Atlanta Municipal Court before Judge T.C. Today's hearing was held to determine whether there was enough evidence to turn Mrs. Lett's case over to a grand jury to determine whether she is in fact guilty of kidnapping and forgery charges. She is charged with kidnapping Shantae Alexander from her mother's hospital bed and then forging a doctor's signature to a phony birth certificate. Though Judge Little heard testimony that one of the comparisons of footprints of the Grady baby with the baby in Mrs. Lett's custody did not match, he ruled that there was enough evidence to send the case to the grand jury. Mrs. Lett's attorney, T.V. Molineux, was surprisingly blunt about his client and her behavior.
Ms. Lett needs psychiatric treatment, needs to be evaluated, and that's what I intend to do later.
Do you intend to plead insanity?
Well, it's not exactly insanity. It's sick. She has a delusions that this is her baby, and she's thoroughly convinced. And any wrong that she's done has been justified by the fact that she's thoroughly convinced herself that it's her baby and she gave birth to it.
But you and the evidence are convinced that the baby really isn't hers.
Well, I have some doubts.
Mrs. Lett's case will now go before the Fulton Grand Jury. If she is indicted, a trial date will be set in Superior Court. Marc Pickard, Action News.